Hi everyone, my name's Edoardo and I'm here from Mapillary. We're going to be talking about Humanitarian OpenStreetMap and the work they've been doing in Map 2020 project. I'm joined by Jessica Bergmann. Hi Jessica.
Hey Ed, how are you doing?
Very well. Now I have a few questions for you, Jessica. First of all, I want to thank you for the support and the, input that you've had in helping get two projects all the way from Uganda and Ukraine to the Hot Summit. And I just wanted to ask, first of all, what your favourite project was over the last few months.
Yeah, that's a great question. I think all of the projects did an amazing job at really emphasizing the importance of street level imagery. But one of the favorites that I had was out of Sierra Leone, where a community was trying to use imagery to map informal settlements and the evolution over time. I think there are definitely limitations to what satellite imagery can help us to understand about internally displaced and refugee populations. So to me, that was a really interesting and innovative way to understand the changes that can happen in these settlements and how that can be applied to a lot of different contexts.
And we actually chose two projects to come all the way to the Hot Summit. The first one, as I mentioned, Kampala, Uganda, and the second one was all the way from Kiev. And I just wanted to ask you, Jessica, what do you think the benefits of coming to the Hot Summit are as opposed to just doing a lot of this over Google Hangouts and, internet communication?
Yeah, I mean, I think the benefits are to the HOT community just as much as it is to the individuals who are able to come. I think we need more diversity and representation in these types of spaces, especially at the community level where individuals are mobilizing and using these tools for some type of local impact or local change. So I think we need more diversity and representation from communities in these types of spaces. And I think there's a lot that community members can learn from these two individuals and from these two projects. And they can learn from all of the other communities and kind of the academics and individuals who can share their knowledge, share their networks, and share their resources so that they can go back to Ukraine, go back to Uganda, go back to whatever space, and feel like they've learned, feel like they've grown, and feel like experts in that area. So I think it's really important for that kind of exchange to happen.
Thanks, Jessica. So you heard it here first. This is the first time that we've actually done Map 2020, and I think it's probably something that we'll replicate again next year and hopefully have potentially more people from different countries, and I think it'll go from strength to strength. So looking forward to see what we can do together next year. Thanks, Jessica.
Thanks a lot.